The inactive tab message just displays a little message when people move away from your store tab. As we can see it here, don't forget this come back with a little fire icon. Of course, if you want to activate or deactivate this, just head to the theme settings, go into the Debutify add-ons, and locate the inactive tab add-on. Nice and simple, just add the text and emojis in here and change the delay. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.